Hey you, are you looking for a taco recipe that is both delicious, beautiful, and plant-based? Then you have to try these red lentil and cauliflower tacos. Start by cutting up a head of cauliflower and toss them with olive oil, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Lay them out evenly on a baking sheet and roast for 30 minutes or until they are deeply caramelized. Next, heat up a tablespoon of olive oil in a medium pot on high heat. Sauté half an onion and some garlic with a pinch of salt for about 5 minutes or until the onions are soft. Then, add spices like cumin, chili powder, and garlic powder. Put in 1 cup of rinsed red lentils and add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Bloom your spices for about 1 minute before adding 2.5 cups of low-sodium vegetable broth. Cook for 20 to 30 minutes until the lentils are soft. Now, let's make our salsa. Mix together canned diced tomatoes, half an onion, cilantro, lime juice, and zest. Also, feel free to add a jalapeno to spice up your salsa. Lastly, let's make our chipotle sauce to top our tacos. Mix together 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and 3 tablespoons of adobo sauce. Once everything is done, put our cauliflower, red lentils, salsa, and chipotle sauce on a tortilla and serve. Try it out and let us know what you think.